In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Ecwid store in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in and transform your online business dreams into reality. First, you'll need to sign up for an Ecwid account. Begin by heading over to Ecwid's website at www.ecwid.com. Once you're there, look for the prominent Get Started for Free button. Click on it, and you'll have the choice to sign up using your email address, Facebook, or Google account. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. After signing up, it's time to fill in some essential details. Enter your store name and any business information that might be required. This information is vital as it forms the foundation of your online store, so take a moment to ensure it's accurate. Now click Next to access your brand new dashboard. Welcome to your storefront's command center. Here's where the magic happens, and it's all set up for you to tailor as you please. With your account set up, let's move on to customizing your store settings. In your Ecwid dashboard, navigate to Settings and then click on General. Here you'll have the opportunity to refine your store name, specify your business address, and establish currency and language preferences. All these elements are crucial to make sure your store caters to your target audience's needs. Next, select a theme that matches your brand. A cohesive and appealing design will not only attract visitors but also encourage them to explore your products further. With those setup basics out of the way, it's time to populate your store with products. This step involves manually adding products, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Begin by going to Catalog, then click on Products and choose Add New Product. You'll want to enter the product name, a compelling description, and set the price. Visual appeal plays a big role here, so make sure to upload high quality images of your product. Once done, set up crucial details like shipping and inventory options. This ensures you can efficiently manage stock levels and keep your customers informed about delivery options. Remember to click Save to ensure your products are securely stored in your catalog. Now let's sort out how your customers will pay you by setting up payments. Navigate to Payment in your dashboard. Ecwid offers integration with numerous payment providers such as PayPal, Stripe, and Square, or you can even opt for manual payments like cash on delivery or bank transfer. Connect your chosen payment account and set up your checkout preferences to ensure a smooth purchasing experience for your customers. Finally, configure your shipping settings. Head over to Shipping and Pickup. Here you can define shipping zones, be it worldwide or specific countries, and select shipping methods that suit you, whether that's a flat rate, offering free shipping, or integrating real-time carrier rates from services like DHL, UPS, or FedEx. Don't forget to fine-tune shipping times and costs to align with your business strategy. And there you have it, you've just set up your Ecwid store in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps kickstart your online store journey.